Okay, hi, this is Michael Ellis, and I'm recording this in case, I don't know, like I kill myself trying to do this or something. I don't know. Okay, so I've been, trying to figure out how to get power from, Organite, Cloudbusters, and such. And what I figured out is you can't really pull the charge off the pipes because they're like not, I don't know what you'd call it. Oh, sorry. My dog's barking. They're not really like accumulators as such. It's more like a dynamic type of energy that's going through them. Because they're kind of like I don't know. They're like hooked up to the magnetic field of the Earth or something, and it's kind of like comes out in pulses. I think so. It's like it has to do with like the interaction with the Earth's magnetic field. Like the organite I get is like it's not like an energy accumulator or something, but like if you like measure it with an ion meter, as you approach the organite, it drops tremendously down towards zero. So the organite itself is kind of like a I don't know what you call it, like an energy absorber or like an ion ground as far as ions are concerned. So like it's not like pumping out ions or anything, like some people claim it is. They're just rubbing the static up on it and getting big fancy numbers. Just it's static electricity basically is what they're doing. They're like rubbing against the plastic and stuff and like doing crazy shit like that. Doesn't really work that way in real life. They're just messing with the ion counters. So, but if you actually touch the pipe with the ground, the little metal backing on the ion counters, it will actually oscillate. So there is like a um, sort of dynamic feature to the connection energy it's connected to. So it comes out in like pulses basically. It's like working with the Earth's the Schumann resonance, if you will. That kind of pulsation of like a low frequency energy. So so we know for sure it interacts with the Earth's magnetic field. So the Earth's magnetic field comes in and it activates whatever it is. So it absorbs the Earth's magnetic field. So there's like a dip in the energy around it, and it concentrates that energy. It grounds it, and then it shoots it up through the tubes, or it draws it in through the tubes. I don't know, one or the two. And like it gets like this huge concentration of the like negative energy. And like what I've seen psychically is like little spirals coming out of the tubes. And that's what people see when they freeze water in the tubes, is it forms like little spirals like as the water freezes. So like the crystals actually form spirals in the tube, but like that's what the magnetic energy coming out of it looks like, is like little spirals. So it's like connecting with the ionosphere, I want to say, or something like that. Somewhat something like that is it's basically shooting out energy to connect with the atmosphere, and then locally it's depressing the amount of ions around it. So so it's like it's either it's downloading or uploading energy. It doesn't really matter. But what it's doing locally is it's absorbing energy. And if you hook up like a oscilloscope or something to it, you can see like the energy and the signals going on all around the house or whatever. Like the washing machine will do a certain signal around it, and then like the opening and closing doors will do like a static spark sort of thing, and that'll register in it. So it's like any energy like in the whole environment will register on the Cloudbuster. So and even like taking a shower or something, that'll show up on it. So like any time any energy is generated like ionically or like magnetically or whatever, it'll register on the Cloudbuster. So I think that's how Stubblefield's invention, where he got this thing that showed like when people were like on his property or whatever. That's how this kind of worked in the same way, like this sort of universal energy that